Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate images with Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come in the left hand panel, click on chat, and then here on the right hand side choose the model. What we're going to do, we're going to scroll up here, we're going to pick Nano Banana. So this is Gemini 2.5 flash image. This is the model. Okay, this one can actually generate, create and edit these images. So here in the prompt section, you just type in your prompt and make sure to be very specific. The more detail you provide, the better the result. For example, here I'm asking to generate an image, and here I have the subject, okay, a small golden retriever puppy, and then we have an action or context. So the puppy is wearing a tiny blue bow tie and is sitting on a basket of sunflowers, for example. Okay, then we give the style, digital painting, vibrant colors, soft lighting, and this is just an example. You can even come here to aspect ratio. You can choose the aspect ratio. So if you want, let's say, a story for Instagram, you can pick 9 by 16, 16 by 9 for things like, landscape thumbnails, right? You can even do 1 by 1 and then just hit run. I've put 4K to add some realism, and check this out. It's actually done in just about 9.2 seconds. Really that easy. And that is how to generate images with Google AI Studio.